Hi, I'm Brooke from Start at Home, and today we are in my closet to check out one of my favorite laundry must-haves. Actually, there's two laundry must-haves that I absolutely could not live without. Are you ready to see it? Let's go. Here is my new laundry hamper. Well, it's about a month old and I have absolutely loved it. One of my favorite parts is not only is it functional, but look how great it looks. It can sit right here in my closet and still look great. So it does have this nice plastic lid. And then inside you can see these three different compartments. I use them to just sort different colors, whites, blacks, or darks, and towels. But the thing that is really great is, see these? Each one has handles on the side. So when it's full, you just pull it out, put your clothes in the washer, and then you can just slide it back down in there, nice and easy. You can even use it to take clothes out of your dryer as well. All of them have this option. Just throw your clothes down there. It goes down nice and easy. The outer layer is kind of a canvasy cloth, so it did come flat and I put it together. Let me pull these baskets out and you can see back here there's a metal post. So there's 4 metal posts in each corner. Flip it upside down. You can see the construction of it. So the bottom is just a plastic ring, and then these metal posts went in up to the top. So if you needed to collapse it again, you definitely could, or if you needed to wash it. However, I have noticed it spot cleans very well, and even without the baskets in there or the bags, it does hold its shape very, very well. Favorite item number 2 is this laundry basket. It is collapsible. Look at this. Okay, now I thought that this would not be very durable. How would it hold up going up and down? But it is so sturdy. So pull it back up. It's nice and strong and sturdy. And it does take some good force to get it to go down. And the best part, you put it down, and it stores so easy.